To grow caterpillars you need a large container with an easy-to-open lid. A canning jar or an aquarium are ideal. The lid is covered with kitchen paper that the caterpillars can pupate on. To keep the nettles fresh you need a stand for the water tubes. To do this, use scissors to drill several holes in a sturdy cardboard box. Put the nettles into the tubes. This way they will stay fresh for up to 2 or 3 days, if they are not eaten first. As a bottom for the caterpillar tank I recommend absorbent cardboard and on it kitchen paper, which you can change quickly. Caterpillars make a lot of dirt. Caterpillars like to pupate in a hiding place. Half-open cardboard boxes are suitable for this. If a caterpillar falls somewhere where it does not belong, it is usually easy to lift it up with a soft brush. Then the hustle and bustle can start.